Something big is happening at Camp Nou right now. From the rapid rise of the roof structure to the transformation of VIP interiors, from the explosive progress in slat installation to major upgrades in the grandstand and structural systems, this project is moving with serious momentum. In today's update, we're breaking down all the key developments, from new roof installations and interior upgrades to exterior transformations that are already changing the look of the stadium. So stay with us, because this is one of the most exciting phases of the entire Camp Nou renovation. We begin with the most structurally significant and historically important phase of the entire renovation, the roof structure. A significant number of new roof rings have arrived at the construction site today. The consistent and reliable delivery of these components clearly shows that the roof timeline is being managed with precision and strong organization. At ground level, workers are preparing new ring beams that will support these roof rings. Meanwhile, at the top tier, crews are actively installing metal supports, critical elements that will form the backbone of the entire roof system. This is a perfectly coordinated multi-level operation. Materials arriving below, preparation at ground level, and installation at the top, all happening simultaneously. The roof is coming together with real urgency, and everything points toward the timeline being on track. Now moving inside the stadium, specifically to the VIP areas. The progress here has been impressive. Compared to just a few weeks ago, the difference is clearly visible. A large number of interior frames and glass panels have now been installed, giving these premium areas a much more complete and polished look. These frames form the structure for partitions and interior design elements, while the glass installations are adding a premium finish. Step by step, the VIP interiors are transforming into high-end modern spaces. At the goal sewer corner, a new development has appeared this week. Steel reinforcement rods for llama support connections have now been installed on one of the beams. The surface of the beam has been prepared, with paint removed in key areas to allow proper attachment. While this may seem like a small detail, it signals that llama support installation is about to begin in this sector. Interestingly, the mounting method here differs from the tribuna. In goal sewer, the supports sit flush against the beam with no gap. This variation could influence how the next steps unfold. Either way, this corner is becoming active again. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting visual developments, the slat installation. Over the past few days, a large number of new slats have been delivered, and the impact has been immediate. With a strong supply of materials, the installation teams are working at full efficiency without delays, and the pace has clearly accelerated. The north goal area is where this progress is most visible. Section after section is being completed, and the stadium's exterior is taking a more defined and beautiful shape every day. The transformation is already giving us a powerful preview of the final look, and the next few weeks here are going to be incredible. Let us take a look at the grandstand area, where progress continues to be highly impressive across multiple phases happening at the same time. The black panel enclosures have now reached the grandstand. After advancing steadily across other parts of the stadium in recent weeks, these striking panels are now being installed in this prominent area. Their impact is immediate, giving the grandstand a much more modern and defined appearance. Alongside the panels, the ventilation tube installation is also progressing very well in this area. With every tube that is added, the infrastructure becomes more complete, bringing this section one step closer to its final, fully functional state. Finally, let's talk about the sandwich panel works. Some of you may have noticed a slightly slower pace recently, but this is completely intentional. New structural tubes have arrived and will soon be installed across the lower tiers. Before that can happen, the metal framework must be adjusted with extreme precision. If measurements are even slightly off, it could cause major issues later. That's why the teams are taking a careful and methodical approach right now. It may look slower, but this is smart construction, ensuring perfect installation and avoiding delays in the future. What an exciting and comprehensive update it has been today. The roof structure is progressing strongly, VIP interiors are transforming, slat installation is accelerating, and sandwich panel works are moving forward with precision. The Camp Nou renovation is truly firing on all cylinders. Every section is advancing, every timeline is on track, and the finished stadium is getting closer with each passing day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in the next update. Visca el Barça always.